Wow, amazing. Welcome to GM Machines. Wow, here is the complete process of making beauty soaps. Here is the final production. See complete video. Here packing continues. Here is the complete process of making beauty soaps. Wow. Amazing. Wow. 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 Color mixing. Colors. Soap colors adding. Wow. Guys, this is the process of making beauty soaps in factory. Here is the next process. Oh wow, amazing. Oh, amazing. Game machines. Oh wow, nice. Next process started. The finally soaps are ready, guys. Here is, see here. Here are cutting of soaps. Soaps are soaps cutted. Here are the beauty soaps. Here soaps are shaped into soap. Here is the how soaps get shaped. This is the process, guys. Where the soaps shaped. Oh, this is final product. This is the beauty soap. Here is fine soaps are ready for market. Here the soaps gets ready for packing, and then oh wow, nice. Oh, here the soaps packed. Guys, tell me in comments what type of video is this. Do you like it? Tell me in the comments, and follow GM Machines for more this type of videos.